Okay, so let's look at this first question here. It says, write an equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. And then it tells us that the slope equals -3 and that the y-intercept equals half. So just as a reminder, we're going to use, it says, the slope and the y-intercept, so it's kind of a hint. What has the slope and the y-intercept in it? It would be the slope-intercept form. So let's look at this first one. So since we know we're using the slope-intercept form, I'm just going to start off writing y equals mx plus b. And then I'm just simply going to use substitution. What is the slope? Well, remember, we've reviewed this concept before, that slope is represented by a m. It's the French word for mentor, which is French for slope. So we're just going to use m as our slope. Well, since we know that, we just substitute. We substitute the slope of -3 into the equation. So it's simply y equals a -3, substitute for the m, x plus, but what do we put for the intercept? What do we put for the y-intercept? Well, instead of a b, it tells us to put a half. So y equals a -3x plus half would be the answer to this question when asked to substitute these in. It's pretty easy. So looking at this one, slope is 0 and the y-intercept is -2. Again, I'm going to start off with my equation. Y equals mx plus b, and then just substitute them in. For the slope, I'm substituting a 0. So y equals 0. Actually, I really don't even need to write anything. Watch, I'll write nothing right now. I did that. And then x will be x, and then b is the y-intercept, which is -2, would be -2, and that would be the answer.